How to uninstall the hidden Aero Lite theme in Windows 11. If you have already installed Aero Lite theme but doesn't work out well and want to install it, then this video can help you out. So let's get started. First, select the theme file. Then right click on it. Then tap delete. After deletion, go to settings. Click on start menu. Then click settings. Click on personalization. Then click on themes. To delete your current theme, first you have to change your theme into another one. After changing the current theme, right click on the Aero Lite theme. Then click on delete. That's it. You have successfully uninstalled the hidden Aero Lite theme in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial review channel for more videos.